A bit of breaking news in the IPO world. Slack reportedly has chosen the New York Stock Exchange for its direct listing that would be expected in June or July. This, according to Dow Jones. Of course, it comes after really our first unicorn of the year out the door in the Lyft IPO. A little bit of a pop there on Friday, selling off today, going below that IPO price. This would be different. This would not be that sort of traditional roadshow IPO. This is a direct listing, more similar to what we saw from Spotify. Makes sense for a company like Slack?
Sure. I mean, I think what I loved about Spotify's direct listing is that it made transparent what the point of going public is, which is to create a liquidity event for your early investors and your employees. You know, you're not necessarily trying to raise new cash. I remember Slack's last fundraise was like $500 million. Like, they have a lot of cash, plenty of cash on their balance sheet. And so, sure.
Ever since the Fidelities of the world, and I'm going to get back on that horse,
Who've
gotten into the venture business. There's tons of money in that area. I'm on Slack right now, as a matter of fact. I can't talk to you guys.
I really am.
I am.
All we do is Slack around here.
Can we do the show on Slack?
Basically,
that's what we should do. Slack should become a platform.
It is.
For video.
We already do the show on Slack.
That's my billion-dollar idea.
Oh, for video, right. You can integrate Yahoo Finance video into your Slack.
Will we have other companies, though, before, I guess, this June, July date? I mean,
feels like Uber is going to go public before that.
The Pinterest, I mean, there's so many out there. It's kind of a long runway to go June to July, but more.
Because they're talking about Q3 maybe, right? So we just started Q2. Who else comes public in the next 3 months? We'll see.
More to come, but other reports are from Dow Jones that Slack has picked the New York Stock Exchange this summer with a direct listing going into the public market.